This time we are going to learn how to convert binary number to the gray code. What you're supposed to do? You're supposed to copy down always first bit. No matter what, if this is 1 or 0, you're supposed to copy first bit down. So I have 1. Next, you're supposed to perform the addition. 1 plus 1 is equal 2. Keep in mind, 1 plus 1 is equal 2. 1, 0. What you're supposed to write? You're supposed to write 0 and just discard carry of 1. Okay? So I have 1 plus 1 is equal 2. Write just 0 and just ignore carry of 1. 1 plus 1 again is equal to 2. That's why I'm going to write 0 and ignore carry of 1. 1 plus 0 is equal 1. That's why I'm going to write 1 over here. 0 plus 0 gives me 0. And this is my gray code. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to convert the binary number to the gray code. We're supposed to copy down first bit. Always copy down first bit is 1. 1 plus 0 is equal 1. Simply write 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Keep in mind, we're supposed to perform the addition. 1 plus 0 is equal 1. 0 plus 0 gives me 0. 0 plus 1 gives me 1. 1 plus 0 gives me 1. This is my gray code. And this is the solution to my problem. We have another example on the board. Again, we're supposed to convert the binary number to gray code. Okay, this is my binary number. First, always copy down first bit. Next, perform addition. One plus 1 is equal to 2. Remember, we are going to write only 0 and discard carry of 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Ignore carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Again, write 0 and just discard carry of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Again, write 0 and ignore carry of 1. 1 plus 0 is equal 1. 0 plus 1 gives me 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Write 0 and discard carry of 1. 1 plus 0 gives me 1. 0 plus 0 gives me 0. 0 plus 0 gives me 0. And 0 plus 1 gives me 1. This is my gray code. And this is the solution to my problem.